What's up? Got a quickie video for you. I get people ask me all the time about tools. So out with the magical herb yet again in the magical antenna medics wagon. And tools of the trade, right? So you got
basic 1/4-inch impact,
yep,
works like a champ.
There you go. Oh, angle grinder.
1/2-inch angle grinder, works like a champ. You know, you need to cut stuff up. That's the way to do it.
Yep, 1/4-inch angle grinder.
Vacuum cleaner. Everybody needs a shop vac.
Oh, yep,
you know.
gotta have shop vac. That's
yep.
right. Notice everything's battery powered and cordless.
Yep.
So that makes things much easier. Where you can, at least.
1/2-inch hammer drill going through walls.
1/2-inch hammer drill for going through walls. Gotta have it.
Long concrete bit for going through walls.
Yep. You gotta have the long concrete bits for going through walls.
This is a spade bit, long spade bit for going through headers in walls.
Yeah, it's for going through
2x4s.
Yeah. The hell's the word I'm thinking for? Huh?
Top cap plates on the header of the wall.
Top cap, yeah, for going down.
Yes.
I can't think of the word.
Longer drill bits for going through walls.
Yep.
These are 18-inch.
18-inch bits for going through walls.
It's a bell bit. Bell crank hanger. It actually has a hole so you can put the wire through it and pull it back through you.
Oh, nice.
With you. So
you drill through and then you put the wire through the hole and pull the drill bit back through and it runs the wire for you.
Correct. Very good. So basically there's an assortment from 3/8 from 5/16 to 1/2-inch bits for going through walls.
Cool.
Greatest invention out there for putting in outlets and low voltage plates. Basically you cut it, you can put it on the wall. Level it up.
Get it level.
So it looks square once you're all done.
Nice.
Yeah.
So your damn jacks on the wall aren't all cattywampus.
That's a great little tool right there. That's for tracing breakers back. You plug that into the outlet and then you go down the panel until you find the actual breaker.
There you go.
Works like a champ. Because otherwise you have to plug in a shorted outlet and find the breaker that way.
Which no one wants to do that.
No, nobody likes doing that. So, it tends to burn the end off of things.
Yeah.
So that's the basic thing.
Yeah, that's pretty much it tool-wise. Now you need
several flashlights.
The basic stuff like flashlights and hand tools and nuts and bolts and connectors and stuff.
Tape measures.
Yeah, tape measures.
Cable. I've got cable. I've got mule tape with it's measured, so you can, once you pull a mule tape, you can figure out how long your wire and cable needs to be.
Yep. But the biggest thing is ladders.
Selection of ladders.
Yep. You gotta have ladders. If you are afraid of ladders or afraid of heights, do not get into this industry.
3 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot. This is 14 feet, and this is 21 foot. So the nice thing is that the longer extension ladders are 3-section ladders, so they collapse and fit in the truck.
There you go.
That's what you really need.
Some extension cables and some coax, Cat 5, that kind of thing. Cable-wise, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
J-mounts. You do need J-mounts.
I do carry J-mounts.
That's what this thing right here is.
Basically,
a J-mount.
Yeah, that's a temporary, so I can set that on a roof and figure out what the shot is before I actually do a permanent mount.
Yep. You slap a radio up on top.
Level it out,
up there,
stand it up, and off you go. It works great for doing that.
Run it off a battery even, and you're ready to roll. But
yeah, the battery pack, I've got a 24-volt battery pack, so that way I can power up the radio. Here's the PoE injector.
Oh yeah, nice. By who makes it?
Talent Cell.
Talent Cell. Well, that's interesting. Yeah. But that's not even completely necessary.
No.
It's just kind of a nice to have. You acquire nice to haves over time.
Yeah. As you realize what you need, you buy it.
Yep.
And is it absolutely necessary? No. Does it make installation easier and faster? Absolutely yes.
There you go.
Time is what counts.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's that simple. Doesn't take a whole lot of special anything. So there you go. Ambulance not required. Later.